Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Nubian Heritage African Black Soap Body Wash. This body wash is a detoxifying and balancing soap. Description right here on the front, which says, treat skin to a total cleansing experience with this combination body wash and exfoliant that helps balance blemish-prone skin while gently exfoliating from head to toe. Mineral-rich Dead Sea salt and a natural jojoba beads slough off dead skin, while oats and aloe extracts soothe. The high concentration of shea butter maximizes moisture retention, revealing healthier looking skin. It is made with aloe vera, oats, and vitamin E. I really love this soap. I feel like it has done wonders for my skin, especially my back. If you are prone to blemishes, especially like on your chest or your back, I highly recommend this. It's something that I have struggled with for years, and I started using this, and in a matter of weeks I noticed significant results, which is a huge deal because I have tried many things. I think it works not only because it's a soap, but it's also like exfoliates your skin. It has little beads in it, which I'll show you in a moment, the texture of it. So it exfoliates it, but it's gentle. I know that you shouldn't, sometimes like with things you say that you shouldn't exfoliate every day, but this is really gentle, so it's okay, I feel like, to exfoliate with this product every day. So this is a 13 fluid ounce bottle, so it's not super travel friendly if you're like flying. Get like other little containers from anywhere, Amazon, Target, or whatever, and put a little bit of this in it, a little bit of the product in it, and then you can take that with you and leave this at home. The back, you have just some more information. It gives you some information on the beginnings of the company itself, and then the heritage of the company, which is really cool. Actually the heritage, I think, gives you more of the heritage of African black soap. It's something that's been used for years, specifically in Africa, hence the name African black soap. And so it's been used to cleanse and care for the skin. Historical references: shea butter, a staple of African pharmacology, date back to the reported shea butter caravans of Cleopatra's Egypt. Complementing the ingredients' detoxifying properties, our package pattern symbolizes purity and commemorates the strong community identity textiles have in Africa, with each community having their own unique designs. So if you've ever seen like African American women or men, they always have really great skin, and I definitely think it's because they use this product. It's just a really great product. They're genius. And they use all natural products. The main ingredient in this is water, so you have all of your ingredients listed on the back as well. It's organic. Use all organic ingredients and fair trade ingredients. Yeah, this one is made in the USA, and then you've got all of your little information there. It's cruelty free, which is always really nice to know that they didn't, it's not tested on animals or anything like that. So yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up, and I can show you. You do have to twist it open when you first get it, and ooh, there's a bubble there. There's a little foil that you have to take off. So as you can see already, like the little grains, those little beads, those are gonna do wonders for exfoliation. And then it's just a little press cap there, and it squeezes right out. By the way, if you're wondering why this is full and I said I've been using it for a while, it's because this is my second bottle. That's how much I love it. So yeah, so let me just get like a tiny little bit out. I think you have to shake it up. I forgot. You have to shake it up, which I know is a little bit unusual for body wash, and it doesn't say that on it, but I noticed that if I don't, then kind of all that comes out is liquid and not so much beads, which when I opened it, I could tell that like right at the top level, it's probably maybe because it's like organic. I don't know if you've ever had like organic peanut butter or almond butter, but when it's just sitting there, you have to stir it, because if it's organic, all of the oil and everything goes to the top. So you have to stir it, and that's kind of the same thing with this. Not saying that there's oil, but like all of like the liquid, it's very liquidy at the top. So you kind of have to shake it in order to get that to mix up and get the soap and the beads all together for a good cleansing experience with it. So yeah, let's see. It is, I already said it's a 13-ounce bottle. Got a pretty interesting pattern, which it even describes that on the back, as I read to you under Heritage, what the pattern represents, which is really, really awesome that they put so much detail into it. Bottom has an expiration date, which, I mean, I guess most products have an expiration date, but so I really love the Nubian Heritage. They have a lot of other products as well, which you can get on Amazon or anywhere. They have a website if you wanted to check that out. It's nubianheritage.com. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.